Planning a group trip. It sounds fun, until you actually start. Coordinating flights, hotels, activities, it's a lot. With iMean AI, all of it gets simplified instantly. Planning a group trip Sydney to Lisbon in September 2025. There are 5 of us with different travel dates. From flights that fit everyone's schedule, to hotels that keep you close and comfortable, iMean AI tailors every detail to your group's preferences. Planning a reunion, a team retreat, a birthday getaway? iMean learns your group's preferences, so no more compromises. Automatically recommend suitable for parties, pet-friendly. iMean also selects hotels with sufficient available rooms for you, ensuring everyone stays together comfortably. Tailored to your group's preferences, iMean ensures seamless coordination and a stress-free travel experience. AI curates group-friendly activities, from local tours to customized excursions, ensuring that every group member enjoys the experience. No chaos, no spreadsheets. Just one smart, beautiful plan. And fairly. Smarter group travel starts here. Plan once, travel together, iMean.